Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Sumarni. I am 42 years old. I come from Bandar Lampung of Indonesia. I'm married. I'm Muslim. My height is 150 cm. My height is 55 kg. My education is junior high school. I have experience before in Singapore 9 years. In Malaysia 1 year. My job is take care newborn baby, children, elderly, housekeeping, marketing, cooking, wash car, ironing, washing. I can cook simple Chinese food, steamed egg, steamed pork, steamed fish, fried veggie, porridge, soup bakute. I can cook and handle pork, but I cannot eat pork. I want to go to Hong Kong because I want to earn more money for my family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.